In our previous video, we discussed how using anonymous accounts and practicing minimal sharing can go a long way in protecting your privacy on social media. Today, as promised, we're taking it a step further. In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure the privacy settings on social media platforms, starting with one of the biggest platforms, Facebook, so you can take control of your personal data, minimize tracking, and limit how much information you unknowingly share with advertisers. Let's dive right in. Remember, these steps can also be followed on the Facebook mobile app. The layout may vary slightly, but the options remain the same. So from your Facebook profile, go to Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. On the left side, go to Privacy Checkup. Click Who can see what you share? Select Only Me or at least Friends for all types of profile information you share, especially your contact info, birth date, and relationship details. Oversharing is one of the easiest ways to compromise your privacy. For other types of information like posts, stories, reels, and tagging, you can select an appropriate option on the following pages. Then go to your data settings on Facebook and remove all apps and websites you've logged into using Facebook. Never use Facebook or any social media account to sign into third-party services. It links your behavior across platforms and shares your data with external apps you don't control. Now go to your ad preferences on Facebook. Uncheck everything under profile information. This prevents Facebook from using these personal details to target you with ads. Now under Who can see your social interactions alongside ads? Select Only Me. This ensures your likes, comments, and shares aren't used to show you the ads. Finally, let's configure how much Facebook can use your rest of the data to show you ads. This settings should have been part of the privacy checkup, but Facebook has smartly hidden it somewhere else. So let's go and visit that too. On the left side, click on Accounts Center. Click on Ad Preferences and then Ad Settings. Under Ad Experience, select Less Personalized Ads. This will force Facebook to use less of your data for ads. These settings may seem buried or hard to find, and that's by design. Big tech companies make money off your data, so it's up to you to take control. Take 5 minutes today to lock down your Facebook privacy, because the longer your data is out there, the harder it is to control.